now we're doing the front. Drain all the fluid from the reservoir. Bled from the caliper. Now I'm over here bleeding out the other side. All right, so brake lines are removed from the master cylinder, calipers. And there we are, guys, all routed up. Sure, nothing is too stretched out, nothing is banging. There it is. Alright, time to bleed the brakes. Alright guys, the front steel braided lines are all installed. As you can see, there's the double banjo right there. One line going to one side, the other line going to the other side. Here's one side right here, all tightened up. Here's the other side. Gives it a completely different look, completely different feel. There it is, guys. If you guys have any questions, write it in the comments. Thanks for watching.